morning, everybody. Myself Swati of 10th standard. Now, I'm here to share an interesting topic which takes place in our human body. So, in our day-to-day life, we can observe the waste is taken out from various kinds, and that waste is disposed. And how does this waste is taken out and how it is disposed? For example, let me share with you CO2 in our body is taken out. How is the CO2 taken out from our body? Yes, you are right. The CO2 is taken out from our body through a process called respiration. So, what are the functional units which takes place to take out the CO2 from our body? So, the part which is known as lungs taken out the CO2 from our body, which helps to flow the blood from all the body parts. Now, let us start our topic, the excretory system. What is meant by the excretory system and how does this excretion in our body takes place? The excretion in our human body takes place through this excretory system, and this excretory system contains a pair of kidneys which is present in the right and the left, and it also contains a right renal artery and left renal artery, and it contains a renal vein and renal vein, and it also contains a ureter tube and a urinary bladder which stores the urine, and this is known as the wastewater present in our body, and this is the urethra, the last part which is present in this excretory system. Now, what is the definition of excretion? Excretory system consists of a right kidney and a left kidney. It also contains a right vena cava and left renal artery and left renal vein. It contains a ureter, and it also contains a urinary bladder which takes all the urine and the wastewater present in our body. And the final part in this excretory system is urethra, which releases out the urine from our body. And now, do you know the definition of excretion? The biological waste in which present in our body are taken out is known as excretion. So, how is urine produced in our body and how it is disposed? So, there are two types of waste which takes place in our body. They are nothing but solid waste and liquid waste. Liquid waste is in the form of urine. Now, let me discuss about how is urine produced and how it is disposed. So, urine is an excretory product in our human body. This urine consists of lot of wastewater and nitrogenous waste such as urea. And the wastewater present in our body is collected by this urinary bladder. This contains a lot of water which is also known as urine, and this takes a long time to get released from our body, and it holds this wastewater for a long time and gets urged to urine, and hence we get urination and we will get satisfied. And do you know that for everything we have a functional unit, such as lungs have alveoli as the functional unit, and for kidneys, what is the functional unit in our kidneys? So that is nothing but a nephron. Nephron is the functional unit of kidneys. It contains of a Bowman's capsule, a distal covulated tube, nothing but DCT, and a cortex medulla junction and collecting duct, which collects the sperms from the male human excretory system, and it contains a loop of the nephron and a pedular capillary network, and it also contains an interlobular vein, venule, and interlobular artery. Let me discuss about a key part in this nephron. So, Bowman's capsule is the key part which takes place in this excretory systems. It collects the wastewater and the filtrate from our body, and this excretory system has a lakhs of nephrons which collects all the filtrate from our body. We listen that some persons are suffering from kidney failures. If two kidneys are failures in our body, then what will happen? Because kidney is the main part which takes place in our human body. So, hemodialysis is the process which replaces the kidney, and this hemodialysis is also known as the replacement of this real kidneys, and these are also known as the artificial kidney. What causes the kidneys to failure? Several failures like injuries and infections cause the flow of blood to stop to move to kidneys, and by this the kidneys fail, and hence one will fall suffer, and a dialyzing fluid which removes the waste from our human body